We got Set the Trend, Ringtone, Unreleased. With Davio.
Linked by Davio.
We getting everything.
Hard-headed baby.
Moving fast, but I'm taking it slow. Ooh, I love the way that you move. Baby, too bad you lose. As negative bad, I'ma do better. Know when I see you that we be together. I'm down for you, but I could get her whenever. She drippin', got splash, no, I'll make her wetter. No, been stuck in my mind. Love the way that you look from behind. Let me see that ass one more time. To get you whatever you like. It's the truth and I'm telling you lies. You a gift, baby, call you a prize. Bite your lip on, bite your lip when I rub your thighs. Bite your every I look at you.
This is one of them songs. Yeah, bro. I think it's some throwaway shit. He not saying shit.
Moving fast, but I'm taking it slow. I love the way that you move. Baby, too bad you lose.
It ain't bad. I ain't gonna lie. It's growing. It's growing on me. I ain't gonna lie.
Baby, too bad you lose.
It's a vibe. I'm glad Set the Trend, like, he's not scared of what to say, bro. He can go in the booth and say bullshit like this. Like, he can just, like, slur his words, and I don't know, bro. He's not afraid to do him, bro. I'm happy, bro. That's what I want other rappers to do, other drill rappers to do. Just experiment. That's all you gotta do, bro.
No, I won't let y'all, please don't leave me. I've been freezing, know that you need me. Said that I'm sneaky, love you freaky, love you tease me. Know you hear me calling, rain, tone. Tell you love me, but you gotta show. Ain't no telling how far you go. Moving fast, but I'm taking it slow. Ooh, I love the way that you move. Baby, too bad you lose. As negative bad, I'ma do better. Know when I see you that we be together. I'm down for you, but I could get her whenever. She drippin', got splash, no, I'll make her wetter. No, been stuck in my mind. Love the way that you look from behind. Let me see that ass one more time. To get you whatever you like.
Cap. He said the first melodic song I heard from a drill that's actually good. Cap. Never heard of Smooth L.